Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Linux Mint 22.1 Mate edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Linux Mint official website and download. See here we have the latest one, Linux Mint 22.1. Click on this download or download, either is fine. Click on download. Then see here we have the versions like Cinnamon, XFCE and Mate. It is classic and traditional. So click on download. See, its size is about 3 gigabytes. Scroll down. Click on any one of these mirrors to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 2.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded Linux Mint 22.1 Mate 64-bit ISO file. Okay, in your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. Now click on new or machine and select new, either is fine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving LNT Mint 22.1 Mate VM. Okay, see, this will be the virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. Okay, select other location. Select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See here, I have the Linux Mint 22.1 Mate ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then once you select it, see here, type change it to Linux, subtype to Ubuntu and version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Then select this checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. Here I am giving 4 gigabytes. This is up to you based on availability. Number of CPU cores to hard disk. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Okay. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and settings, or select it and click on settings, or machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Let me maximize it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Linux Mint, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control key on your keyboard to release the cursor. See, cursor has been released. See, if you want to test or temporary purpose, you can use and you can shut down. But we want to install permanently, so right click on this install Linux Mint and select open. Select the language and click on continue. Select keyboard layout, type English and continue. If you want to install multimedia codecs, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on continue. See, this is the fresh installation, so select erase disk and install Linux Mint and click on install now. See, this is just confirmation. If you continue, the changes listed below will be written to the disks. Otherwise, you will be able to make further changes manually. So, click on continue. Select your location on this globe. Suppose if you are from US, you have to select here. If you are from UK, select here. London, okay. Australia, select on this map. So I am from India, so select on your country or location, then click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. So I am giving user full name, and this will be the computer name or host name. Name can be anything. Later also you can change this one. This is the username. You can change it if you want. I'm okay with that one. So Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am pausing this video, and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on restart now. See, now it is asking us to remove the installation medium and then press enter. Okay, so control to release the cursor. Now go to VirtualBox. See here in storage section, optical drive, it is empty. If it is not empty, click on here and select remove disk from virtual drive. Okay, then you have to come to here and hit enter. Now provide the password and hit enter. Welcome to Linux Mint. I don't want this, so unselect it. Show this dialog at startup and close. See, notice here on desktop before we were having install Linux Mint. Now it is gone. Okay. See, this is a Linux Mint Mate edition 22.1 Zia. Okay, open terminal. Let me increase the font. File, edit, profile preferences, then unselect it, then increase the font, select it, close this one. Now verify the version that we have installed. More/etc os-release. See, we have installed Linux Mint 22. It's a Zia and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Okay. The first step after connecting to Linux Mint 22.1 is we have to update the package. Sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, this will take time. So, in this video we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22.1 Mate edition on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.